Hello there, fellow homeowners. Are you feeling the pinch of rising grocery prices? It seems like every trip to the supermarket costs more than the last. But what if I told you there's a powerful, rewarding way to fight back and significantly cut your food bill? Beyond the obvious financial savings, growing your own food offers incredible benefits. You gain complete control over what goes into your body, avoiding pesticides and unknown chemicals. Imagine biting into a tomato picked just minutes ago, bursting with flavor. Don't feel overwhelmed. You don't need a huge backyard to begin. Start small, perhaps with a few pots on a patio or a sunny windowsill. The key is to observe your space and understand its potential. Sunlight is absolutely crucial for most edible plants. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day for fruiting vegetables like tomatoes and peppers. Leafy greens can often tolerate a bit less. Good quality soil is your plant's foundation. Invest in a reputable potting mix for containers or amend your garden beds with compost. Healthy soil means healthy, productive plants. Watering correctly is another vital step. Too much or too little can be detrimental. Feel the soil. If it's dry an inch or two down, it's time to water. Consistency is key. To truly impact your grocery bill, focus on plants that are expensive to buy or that you use frequently. Fresh herbs are a fantastic starting point. Basil, parsley, cilantro, and mint are costly at the store but thrive in small pots. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale grow quickly and can be harvested repeatedly. Imagine never buying a bag of salad mix again. They are perfect for continuous picking. Tomatoes and peppers are incredibly rewarding and can be quite expensive to purchase. A single healthy plant can produce an abundance of fruit throughout the season. They do need plenty of sun. Zucchini and cucumbers are prolific producers. Just 1 or 2 plants can keep a family well supplied, often leading to sharing with neighbors. They are surprisingly easy to grow. No yard? No problem. Container gardening is perfect for balconies, patios, and even windowsills. Many vegetables and herbs thrive in pots, provided they have adequate drainage and sunlight. Choose containers that are appropriately sized for the mature plant. A 5-gallon bucket works wonders for a single tomato plant, for example. Ensure there are drainage holes to prevent root rot. Strawberries, bush beans, radishes, and carrots can all be grown successfully in containers. Even small fruit trees like dwarf citrus can be happy in a large pot. The possibilities are vast. For year-round freshness, consider indoor gardening. Herbs like basil, chives, and oregano do well on a sunny kitchen windowsill. Microgreens are another excellent indoor option, ready to harvest in just a week or two. If you want to grow more substantial plants indoors, you might need a grow light. These provide the necessary spectrum of light for plant growth, especially during shorter winter days. It's a small investment that pays off in fresh produce. Indoor gardening allows you to extend your growing season indefinitely. It's a fantastic way to keep your grocery bill low, even when the weather outside isn't cooperating. Composting is perhaps the ultimate money-saving gardening hack. Instead of throwing away kitchen scraps and yard waste, you can transform them into nutrient-rich soil amendment. This reduces your need to buy expensive fertilizers. A simple compost bin or pile can turn fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, and leaves into black gold. It enriches your soil, improves drainage, and feeds your plants naturally. It's a truly sustainable practice. Compost also helps your soil retain moisture, meaning you might water less frequently. It's a win-win for your plants, your wallet, and the environment. Start small, and you'll be amazed at the results. Every gardener encounters pests, but you don't need harsh chemicals. Many common garden pests can be managed with natural methods. Healthy plants are often more resistant to pest attacks. Companion planting is a great strategy. Planting marigolds near tomatoes can deter nematodes, for instance. Introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs can help control aphids. Simple solutions like a strong spray of water can dislodge many pests. For persistent issues, a homemade insecticidal soap spray can be very effective. Always identify the pest first to choose the best approach. Knowing when and how to harvest your produce maximizes your yield and flavor. Many leafy greens can be harvested by picking outer leaves, allowing the plant to continue producing. This is called cut and come again. Harvesting regularly encourages more production. For example, picking zucchini when they are young and tender prevents them from becoming giant and seedy. Don't let ripe produce sit on the plant too long. Proper storage extends the life of your harvest. Many herbs can be dried or frozen. Tomatoes are best stored at room temperature, while leafy greens prefer the refrigerator. Learning these tricks reduces waste. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your experiences. Every season brings new challenges and triumphs. The more you grow, the more confident and skilled you'll become. Growing your own food is an empowering step towards financial independence and a healthier lifestyle. It's a journey that offers fresh, delicious food, reduces waste, and connects you with the natural world. Imagine the satisfaction of preparing a meal entirely from your own garden. So, what are you waiting for? Pick a sunny spot, grab a few seeds, and start your home gardening adventure today. Your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Happy growing!